Uh, all right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to HUC High Universal Code. Please, if today is your first time of seeing my page, my channel, please don't forget to follow, like, comment, and share. The only thing you do for me now is to share this video, let other people to benefit from it. Today, we are going to work on taper fade. Look at this hair very well. The first thing you need to do, as usual, comb out the hair very well. Comb it thoroughly to see how the hair grows and see the texture of the hair. Do you understand? So I've combed the hair. Make sure you sterilize your clipper. I've done that already. So after you have combed out the hair finish, please don't forget to share this video. Let other people to benefit. It's not easy to make a tutorial for people to watch. It's not easy. So please, I'm not telling you to give me money. The only thing you do for me, share this video, let other people benefit. And if you see anywhere that I'm not doing very well, please correct me. We are all learners. I'm not a professional. Do you understand? And I don't believe that anybody is a professional. So let's dive into it. The first guideline is going to be what? The first guideline is going to be skin. Now, some of us make mistake when we are cutting taper fade. Let me demonstrate what I'm explaining. The first thing you need to do, see, once you are cutting taper fade, you know we have mid taper fade, low taper fade, and high taper fade. You get? So this head taper fade now is not going to go up too much. So you will stop the first guideline here. Just follow the where the ear stop. That is where you stop the first guideline, and it's going to be skin. It must be skin. It's a must. It must be skin. So how do you do it? You join your blades together. You join it together. This is the gear. You carry it up. Please share this video, like and save for future purpose. So you carry it up like this. You skin it. If you are not understanding anything, let me know. Can you see it? After you have created the first guideline, which is skin, remember I told you that my channel is all about theory and practical. The second guideline is going to be what? Low cut level. How do you do it? You bring the gear down, you open it. You create the second guideline, let it stop here. Let it stop here. Don't let it to go too up. That's what you're going to do. Can you see what I'm doing? Can you see what I'm doing? So after you have created the second guideline, the third thing you need to do is to use your step 1.5 to fade the shape so that you get the shape properly. Do you understand? So look at it. You open the blade. See the way I'm flipping it. Can you see? Can you see the way I'm flipping it? Can you see it? Can you see the way I'm flipping it? Now, after using your 1.5 to get the shape of the taper fade that you want, then you use your step 1. This is step 1. You use your step 1 to blend it. Can you see what I'm doing? So if you're a lover of enhancement, leave this my page. Everything I do here is raw so that you see the mistake. Not that I'll do it finish, I'll use enhancement to cover it. No, I don't do that. I do it raw so that you see the mistake, then you correct me. Do you understand? Can you see what I'm doing? Can you see the way I'm blending as if I'm brushing the hair? Because some hair is soft, some hair is hard. And if you don't do it very well, it will create line. Can you see what I'm doing? Can you see what I'm doing? Please share this video. Let other people benefit from this video, please. And if you like this page, you like what I'm doing, please follow. because you're not going to regret following this page. Can you see it? Can you see what I'm doing? I'm trying to get the shape very well. So after you have gotten it, the shape you want, can you see what I'm doing, guys? After you have gotten the shape you want, you remove the step 1, you turn your hand downward, put it under low cut level. You turn your hand like this. Can you see what I'm doing? Some of us, we make mistake and we use enhancement to cover it, and it's not good. Do it in a way that even if you don't do it very well, people will correct you, because nobody is an island. Understand? No one knows it all. Can you see, after you have gotten it like that, you blend it like this. Can you see that I'm not going up? A real barber will understand how this hair is. Can you see that this hair entangle and it's very, very soft? The root of this hair is very, very entangled and it's very, very soft. So you have to follow it accordingly. So after this now, the next thing you need to do is to raise your hand up. Can you see it? Then after you have done it like that, you put it under semi-low cut. Can you see what I'm doing, guys? After that, you trim the hair. I don't want this video to be too long. Can you see it? You trim it. Make sure you don't let another line to show. Can you see it? Please like, comment and share this video. Let other people to benefit. So can you see it, guys? Can you see it? So this is how to barb taper fade. It's very, very simple. It's very, very simple. So just follow it accordingly. Remember, hair different. You may meet hair that is very, very fine for you to blend it. If you blend it, everything will be very, very sleek. But this one now, the hair is soft. That's why I'm taking my time to blend. So after that, so can you guys see it? So this is just it. If you see anywhere that I did not do it well, please correct me. This is HUC. I'm down to learn. So this is it, guys. Thank you, guys. I love you. Share this video. Let other people to benefit from this video. That is my own. I love you guys. Thank you.